step-by-step guide reveals how to create multiple passive income streams to live the passive lifestyle. What if you woke up tomorrow and had money in your bank account from a small amount of work you did once many months or even years ago? Most people get up and go to work, but you don't have to. Instead of waking up to an alarm clock, you can do what you want, when you want. That's the power of passive income. Passive income can quickly change your life. Most people spend a majority of their time working. Passive income provides you with the freedom in your life to do the things you want to do, when you want to do them. Imagine being able to go on vacation and getting paid. And the best part is, you're getting paid while you do the things that you want to do. Imagine spending time with the people that you care about the most, and getting paid while you're doing the things that you want. Building multiple streams of passive income is the key to living life on your terms. I will leave a link where you can get this amazing course to passive income for only $7. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share to help others. Thanks for watching.